got the numbers, we got the numbers, we got numbers now. We're unstoppable, unstoppable.
Happy birthday, ate. Si ate, mabait, hindi pala kibo. Masunurin naman. Kahit na medyo pasaway minsan. Yun, kailangan mo nang sabihan, utusan bago sumunod.
Mabait naman siya, kaya lang may katigasan din ng ulo. Pero mabait. Pag yung malambing naman sa amin yan, siya, pag gusto niya, Lola, kukuhan mo ako. Lola, kakain na ako.
To speak frankly, medyo bossy siya. Utos dito, utos doon. Well, I cannot blame myself kasi medyo pinalaki ko siyang spoiled before. Of course, as we all know, she has a twin sister who died a month ago after birth. So, parang binuhos namin doon lahat ng pagmamahal ng kanyang mama. Kaya, after a series of years, talagang lalo siyang na-spoiled, not only for her mom, her dad, but also for her grandparents as well.
Need something to believe in. Never knowing why we're always searching for a reason.
Sana mas maging wise ka sa mga choices mo and sana matupad mo yung dreams mo. And lagi lang ako nandito para sa'yo. Alam mo naman yun. And thank you sa lahat. Happy birthday, Micah! Enjoy!
Cause the future won't let us go. Cause I know we've got a long way home. We'll lean on each other on, not on my own. As long as I go with you.
Happy birthday, ate. Alam mo naman na kahit hindi lagi sinasabi ni mama sa yung I love you, mahal na mahal ka namin. And basta alam mo na yun, te. Kailang dalawa laging magkakaintindihan. Basta mahal ka namin. And lagi lang kami nandito ni Papa, ni Junel, ko. Basta family first.
Birthday, Ate Micah, and after 18 years, it's a wonderful experience in a roller coaster ride. Isa lang pakiusap ko sana, no? Just huwag kayong mag-aaway ng iyong kapatid at dadalawa lang kayong magkapatid. At the end, kayo pa rin ang magkakapatid.